Are you looking for a non-surgical facelift? Well, fillers can do that for you, and we can do it in the office in less than a half an hour. So what we are going to do today is we're going to use fillers to help bring back the triangulation of our patient's cute face. So as we age, our triangle of youth becomes a pyramid of aging. That means jowls are falling, our cheeks fall, our skeleton changes, and it's no fault of our own. We're going to blame gravity and the sun and all the environmental things that age us. But we can help bring back that natural triangle by adding some volume up in the cheeks. And I love to start with the cheeks, because when people come in and they talk about their nasolabial folds, which are right here, the way to bring those up is to start with actual cheek filler. Start with the scaffolding of the house before you start to put the bricks in. So you'll see what I mean once we do our treatment on our patient, because her nasolabial folds will come up really nicely. So I'm going to use a cannula to do cheek filler. You can use needles. Sometimes if people are easy bruisers or they have somewhere to be in 10 minutes and they don't want to have the possibility of a big bruise, which you can get with putting needles in your face, we use cannulas. So that means it's a blunt tip. So as I traverse through her skin, if I run into a vessel, it will push the vessel aside instead of going through it like a needle would. So I have done a little injection spot of lidocaine right here. You can see the blanching of her skin from the epinephrine with the lidocaine. I'm going to make a channel, 1, 2, 3, a little pilot channel, I should say. I don't like the word hole. Through which I can put my non-needle. So you can see there's no, although it looks like it's pointy, it's not pointy at the end, it's a blunt tip. So I am going to go ahead and go in through my channel that I just made. Oh, thank the heavens. Okay. Now we're going to traverse up. I know it feels kind of strange. We have to just find that path. There we go. You okay?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. You know, hi. I'm up high now. Hello. And now we'll go ahead and inject some of that filler. And we do want to be up high. And I don't want you to think that I'm going to make you look stupid. Because the people that have filler that you can tell have filler are people that have had bad filler. So we want to make sure that nobody knows what you've done, they just know you look better. And that's the whole key. We don't want people to go, oh, what'd you do? We want people to go, oh, what'd you do? And then you go, oh, well, I did my hair today, I got some new skincare products. Or you can tell them you came here. Either way. I prefer the latter, but this is a very, very common procedure, so most likely you know people that have had filler if you have it yourself. So you can see already just how much that brought her little cheek up. So cute. Yeah. Nice. So I'm just gonna do half of a syringe over here for now, and then we'll come back and maybe do more. But let's just wipe off that little area. But you can see how this is higher now, and she has bring her chin down a little bit. Now she has a bit of a curve as opposed to being flat like this side. So if you were to turn your head a tiny bit, see how she's got a curve there? If she turns her head this way, no curve there. So we're gonna go over here now and give her curve. Let's give you curve, man. All right, so let's make our pilot spot right there. Pilot channel. Oops, I'm throwing things at you now. Let's see, better get through here. There we go. That side was easier. And we're going to traverse up. Traversing. There we go. And as I glide through your skin, of course I say that loosely, with the cannula, I am irritating some of those fibroblasts as I go past. And as I irritate the fibroblasts, they go into high gear, kick into high gear, and they say, wait, I'm under attack. So they'll actually make you make collagen just based on the fact that we're using the cannula. Oh. There we go. Here we are. You can see how pretty this is. And keep on going. Are you okay? All the way up there. I typically tell people you typically need a syringe per side, so we'll see what let's wipe that off. Yeah, it's really pretty. That looks really nice, I know. So we'll take a look at it and see if you want to do another syringe. But there's lidocaine in there now, so it'll be easier on you when if we go back in. But that is, essentially how simple a filler procedure can be. And again, she doesn't look different, she just looks better.